Let's start with the simple truth. Whether the client is external or internal, their expectations are remarkably similar. Studies show that clients prioritize two key factors when evaluating a product or service: efficiency and durability. They want something that works well and lasts long. Interestingly, internal clients rarely care about the seniority or expertise of the production team. Instead, they focus on whether the team can reliably deliver results. But here's where things get tricky. Many companies structure their internal teams as if they were separate suppliers, creating unnecessary competition and undermining collaboration. Research shows that treating internal teams as independent suppliers can lead to significant challenges. For instance, when internal departments are forced to operate like standalone businesses, they often prioritize meeting budget constraints over maintaining quality. This dynamic pressures teams to cut corner, leading to products that meet technical requirements but fail to address real clients' needs. Even worse, some companies subdivide their departments into mini enterprises that compete against one another. At first glance, it might seem efficient. After all, competition can reduce costs. However, this approach often results in long-term quality issues and a loss of ownership of our product. For example, supplier quality management research emphasizes that fragmented processes reduce efficiency and make it harder to maintain consistent product standards. Agile methodology were designed to counteract this inefficiency by fostering collaboration between business and production teams. According to a survey by the Project Management Institute, 71% of organizations using Agile report improved project success rates compared to traditional methods. Agile encourages cross-functional teamwork and iterative development, ensuring continuous feedback from the stakeholders through the project lifecycle. However, many companies claiming to be agile have reverted to authoritarian models where the client is always right. This shift undermines the core agile principle of equal partnership between teams and clients. That such hierarchical structure can stifle innovation and reduce team morale. One of the most misunderstood aspects of project management is estimations. Estimations are inherently uncertain because they cannot account for unexpected challenge or dependencies. For example, delays often occur due to overlooked interdependencies between tasks, which can disrupt schedules and increase costs. Moreover, research on client expectation alignment highlights the importance of involving clients in the estimation process. When clients are not engaged, teams tend to make isolated decisions that prioritize speed over quality. This often results in products that technically meet specification but fail to align with the client's evolving needs. A practical solution for this issue is adopting prototyping or developing a minimum viable product. Prototypes allow teams to test ideas early, gather feedback, and refine concepts before full-scale production begins. This approach reduces risks and ensures better alignment with clients' expectations. For example, MVPs focus on delivering core functionalities quickly while allowing for iterative improvement based on user feedback. Studies reveal that using MVPs can reduce time to market by up to 40% while increasing customer satisfaction by prioritizing essential features. However, it's important to note that prototyping adds extra steps to the production process, which can extend timeline but ultimately leads to better outcomes. Here is the key takeaway. Whether you're part of a production team or an internal client, you're all working toward the same goal within the same organization. Research consistently shows that collaboration, not competition, yields better results for both quality and efficiency. Remember that estimations are just educated guesses. They cannot predict every challenge or dependency. By fostering strong relationships between teams and clients, you can navigate these uncertainties more effectively. And don't underestimate the value of prototyping or MVPs. They may take more time upfront but save significant resources in the long run. If you want more insights into managing internal client relationship effectively, check out my website for tips and tools backed by research. I wish you good estimations. See you soon. Until then,
boost the system.
Clock punch, soul punch, gonna make my own lunch. This ain't my final destination, just another step in my transformation. Time I jump, can't think.